everyone, today I have swatches for you from the brand Alchemy Lacquers. This is their Envoys of Order collection, and at the end I also have a special 5th anniversary polish that is limited edition. These will be available October 25th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time in the Alchemy Lacquers shop. The price will range from $10 to $11.50, and the full collection, which will have a limited availability, will be available for $62. First up, I have swatches for you of this polish, and it is called Tranquility. Tranquility is described as a blue flaky polish that contains blue to purple shifting clear flakes with multi-sized blue purple glitters. Tranquility had a wonderful formula. As you can see, it applies very smoothly and evenly. It didn't run or pull, it stayed exactly where I put it. Removal was actually very easy. Don't let the word glitter in the description fool you. It didn't have a difficult time removing it at all. My swatches will show you 3 thin coats plus a glossy top coat. You might be able to get away with 2 if you have a thicker, if you apply your coats thicker than I do. But I actually like the 3 because it gives a little bit more depth with the flakes, but you know, that's your personal preference on how you like to apply your polish. I topped it off with Cuticula's Timeless Top Coat in the scent Apple Cider. Next up I have for you is Unity. Unity is described as a coral crelly polish that contains yellow-green shifting shimmer with pink to gold to green shifting clear flakes. Unity shows a little bit more orange than coral on me. The gold shimmer was really strong, and I think with the combination of, I guess, against my skin, it just popped a little bit orange, but this is the perfect time of year for orange, so it worked out, and I loved it. It would be great for all kinds of fall manicures with nail art. It had a wonderful formula, as you can see here. I had 0 application issues. It didn't run or pool. It was even, and it applied for me in 2 coats, and I also finished it off with a glossy top coat. There was, excuse the phone, I'm sorry. There was also no issue with removal. Removal was very easy. This is my full swatch of Unity. Next up I have for you will be Harmony. Harmony is described as a hot pink crelly polish that has yellow, green, turquoise, blue shimmer with orange to green to purple shifting clear flakies. Harmony is beautiful, and I have to apologize because my swatches are a little bit more vibrant than the polish is in real life. My camera was just so freaked out by this polish, and I'm the worst at post editing. I'm not even gonna pretend. I'm awful at it. So I would definitely recommend, if you're finicky with pink polishes, to check out other swatches from other swatchers and before making your final decision. But I don't think you'll be disappointed because this one's beautiful, and it had a wonderful formula. Just like the rest of them, it applied smoothly, evenly. It didn't run or pool, did not stain. It stayed exactly where I put it, and it was opaque for me in 2 coats, and I finished it off with a glossy top coat. And this is my final swatch picture for Harmony. Next up is Concord. Concord was my favorite out of this entire collection. It's described as a blue-purple crelly polish that contains turquoise to blue-purple shifting flakes with scattered holographic glitter. This one just kind of glows. The combination, I think, of the turquoise with the purple and the blue flakes, it just really popped for me, and I really loved it. I did not have any application issues. It applied smoothly and evenly. It took me 3 coats to reach opacity, and I topped it off with a glossy top coat. The removal process was not hard at all. I wore this one for at least a day, and it didn't stain, and I got to experience the removal 100%. There was nothing difficult about it at all. Next up is Equilibrium. Equilibrium is described as a warm gray Crelly polish that has blue, purple, and holographic shimmer with blue, purple shifting clear flakes and purple, blue, pink, green shifting clear flakes. This was my second favorite polish of the collection. It just, I don't know, the word cozy pops into mind. It's such a lovely, warm gray. It's very comforting. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's truly beautiful gray polish. The formula was excellent. I didn't have any application issues. It applied very smoothly and evenly. It had an easy removal. My swatches here just show 2 coats and a glossy top coat. Next up, I have Serenity. Serenity is described as a turquoise Crelly that contains multi-sized green, red shifting glitter, scattered holographic micro glitter, orange to green to turquoise shifting flakes, and a pink to green shifting shimmer. The formula on this was wonderful. I had no application issues. It applies very smoothly and evenly. It does not run or pool. It stays exactly where I put it. And the removal process was also very easy. It didn't require any scrubbing, and it didn't leave any kind of mess on my cuticles either. My swatches here show 3 thin coats and topped it all off with Cuticula's Timeless Top Coat. And last up, I have Complex. Complex is Alchemy Lacquers' 5th anniversary shade, and it is a limited edition, so trust me, you are going to want to jump on this one. It is absolutely stunning. It's described as a blue-leaning dark purple jelly polish that contains red, orange, gold, green shimmers. It had a wonderful formula, as you can see. It had no issues with application. It applied smoothly and evenly. It stayed right where I put it. No running or pooling. It did not stain. I wore this one for a couple days and it removed cleanly. Did not require any scrubbing either. Removal was very easy. My swatches show 2 coats and a glossy top coat. So that wraps up my swatches of the Alchemy Lacquers Envoys of Order collection, which will be available October 25th at 12 noon Eastern Standard Time in her shop. Check out the description box for all links that you might want down below. And thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.